Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to set Chrome as a default browser in Windows 10 and 11. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here where you have your start menu, right click on it, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings, and the next thing you need to do is to simply go to apps. They take you right here, and the next thing you need to do is to simply look for default apps, click on that, and it take you right here. Then you can simply scroll down right here under web browser. What you need to do is to click on the default browser there. Then this is going to open up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Google Chrome, and it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to make Chrome browser a default browser on your Windows 10 and 11 without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.